To optimize AWS Amplify AppSync integration, start by understanding the basics of both services. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications, while AppSync is a managed GraphQL service that makes it easy to build scalable, real-time, and offline-enabled mobile and web applications. First, set up your AWS Amplify project and install the necessary dependencies, including the AppSync SDK. Then, configure your AppSync API by defining your schema, resolvers, and data sources. Make sure to optimize your schema by using efficient data types and minimizing the number of resolvers. Next, integrate AppSync with your Amplify project by creating an AppSync client and configuring it to use your API key or AWS credentials. Use the AppSync client to perform queries, mutations, and subscriptions, and make sure to handle errors and caching properly. To optimize performance, use AppSync's built-in caching and offline capabilities, and implement pagination and batching to reduce the number of requests to your API. Also, use AWS Amplify's built-in analytics and monitoring tools to track performance and usage metrics. Best practices for optimizing AWS Amplify AppSync integration include using a consistent naming convention, keeping your schema and resolvers organized, and testing your API thoroughly. Additionally, make sure to follow security best practices, such as using IAM roles and permissions to control access to your API. By following these steps and best practices, you can optimize your AWS Amplify AppSync integration and build scalable, real-time, and offline-enabled applications. Remember to continuously monitor and optimize your application's performance to ensure the best possible user experience.